Being 21 days out on bail campaigning for his party in the Lok Sabha elections, Arvind Kejriwal today went back to Tihar jail as his interim bail ended. However, not before addressing his party workers at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters and making a passionate appeal to the public. In his last address before returning to jail, the Delhi Chief Minister once again hit out at the BJP and said that he is fighting against the Saffron Party's dictatorship, which put him in jail without any proof. Not just this, he also said that he is going to jail to save the country's future and is even willing to sacrifice his life if that is what it takes.
इतने भारी बहुमत वाली सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री को आपने बिना सबूत के जेल में डाल दिया। यही तो तानाशाही है कि जिसका मन करेगा मैं उसी को जेल में डाल दूंगा, जिसका मन करेगा उसी को जेल में डाल दूंगा। और पूरे देश को मैसेज दे दिया कि अगर मैंने केजरीवाल को फर्जी केस में जेल में डाल दिया तो तुम्हारी तो औकात ही क्या है, किसी को भी पकड़ के जेल में डाल दूंगा। इसी तानाशाही के खिलाफ लड़ रहा हूं मैं, और इस किस्म की तानाशाही अपने देश को बर्दाश्त नहीं है।
Keeping in line with the charges made by other India bloc partners, Kejriwal also slammed the exit poll results, calling them fake, and urged the opposition leaders to remain watchful about any potential EVM fraud.
अभी कल एग्जिट पोल आए हैं, मेरे से लिखवा लो, सारे एग्जिट पोल फर्जी हैं, बिल्कुल फर्जी हैं। एक एग्जिट पोल वाले ने राजस्थान में टोटल 25 सीट है, उसमें 25 में से 33 दे दिए उन्होंने बीजेपी को। ऊपर से आया होगा भाई बीजेपी को ज्यादा देने हैं।
Earlier, before surrendering, the Delhi Chief Minister also visited his parents and sought their blessings and also appealed to the people of Delhi to take care of his aging parents. He also paid his respects at Rajghat before seeking Lord Hanuman's blessings at the Hanuman Mandir near Connaught Place in Delhi, the same place he had visited when he was first released on bail. The Aam Aadmi Party leaders, meanwhile, have expressed their gratitude to the Supreme Court for granting the Aam Aadmi Party convener bail and also have expressed hope for Kejriwal's early release.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को 21 दिन की अंतरिम जमानत दी। इस 21 दिन में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरे इंडिया गठबंधन के लिए, ना सिर्फ आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए बल्कि इंडिया गठबंधन की सारी पार्टियों के लिए कैंपेन किया। क्यों? क्योंकि ये चुनाव आम आदमी पार्टी का नहीं था, ये चुनाव किसी एक पार्टी का नहीं था, ये चुनाव देश के लोकतंत्र और देश के लोकतंत्र को बचाने का और तानाशाही के खिलाफ लड़ने का चुनाव था। और जैसे हम न्यायालय का सम्मान करते हैं, न्यायपालिका का सम्मान करते हैं, और इसीलिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने निर्धारित तारीख पर तिहाड़ जेल में सरेंडर किया।
Meanwhile, the BJP has criticized Arvind Kejriwal, calling him Delhi's villain, and also criticized him for playing the victim card over his health, dismissing Kejriwal's claims of deteriorating health as a complete sham.
Firstly, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal should answer why is he going to jail. If you have done something wrong, only then are you punished. In this case, not only PMLA and the laundering of money, liquor licenses being changed, the fact that there has been corruption proven. If you are above the law, then these questions would change. But you are not above the law, Mr. Kejriwal, and you keep citing health examples. When you were campaigning through the length and breadth of this country, there was no health issue. You chose not to go to a doctor when you were out on bail. Then there was no health issue. And now suddenly when you have to go back to jail, you say that there are health issues. Please stop playing this victim card.
Meanwhile, as soon as Kejriwal surrendered, he was sent to judicial custody till June 5. Remember, the ED had sought the Delhi Chief Minister's judicial custody as an accused in the liquor scam. The application was pending as he was on interim bail.
Arvind Kejriwal has now surrendered to Tihar jail just an hour ago, and what we can confirm to our viewers that Arvind Kejriwal is in judicial custody till 5th of June. On 5th of June, he would be produced virtually to Rouse Avenue Court, where his plea for extension to interim bail, or for that matter regular bail, is pending in front of court. So that is something that all of us will keep an eye on. But definitely, while returning to jail after completing the 21-day interim bail that he got from the Supreme Court for campaigning for his party, which he is national convener for, the Aam Aadmi Party, for 21 days. Aam Aadmi Party national convener went to Rajghat, went to Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place, also to his party office, where he made a speech, not only calling out the exit polls, saying that they all have been done under pressure, but also saying that even Bhagat Singh went to jail for the country. I am in jail because of the country. This will not go on for long. After 4th June, the government will change. This is the narrative that every India Bloc leader has maintained, that 4th of June will be a change of government in India, while the exit polls suggest otherwise. So all eyes on the exact poll as well for 4th of June. But for now, Arvind Kejriwal is behind the bar, and all eyes on June 5th, when the matter will come in front of Rouse Avenue Court for hearing, and possibly a verdict coming in from there as well.
Now, after a 40